Welcome to the best picks. The best 6.7 Powerstroke oil filter is probably one of the most important components for keeping your engine running smoothly. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of oil filters, specifically designed for the 6.7 Powerstroke engine. We'll explore what makes a great oil filter, the key features to look for, and how to choose the perfect one to protect your engine and maximize its lifespan. Number 5. Dox Diesel Ford 6.7L Powerstroke Filter Kit. Are you looking for a top-quality diesel filter? This product is designed to meet and exceed manufacturer warranty requirements. It offers premium filtration for your engine. This filter kit ensures your engine is protected. It is built to the highest standards, providing peace of mind. You can trust this product to keep your engine running smoothly. The kit includes a fuel water filter and a PTC filter. These components work together to remove contaminants. They help to maintain optimal engine performance. This product offers excellent value without compromising on quality. You get top-tier filtration without breaking the bank. It's a smart investment for your vehicle. This filter kit is specifically designed for Ford 6.7L Powerstroke engines from 2017 to 2025. It ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. It is the perfect solution for your vehicle's needs. What we like. This kit offers premium diesel filters, ensuring top quality and meeting warranty requirements. If you prioritize the longevity and performance of your engine and want to avoid overpaying, you should consider this kit. What people say. Dox has great products, many filters changed, no problems. Total package of filters fit perfect. Had oil, air, cap and both fuel filter. Fit exactly. Number 4. FL2051S Oil Filter for Ford F250, F350, F450, F550. This FL2051S oil filter is designed for 2011 to 2022 Ford F250, F350, F450, F550, F650 and F750 models with the 6.7L Powerstroke diesel engine. It's a perfect fit for your vehicle. The filter replaces part numbers FL2051S, BC3Z, 6731B, PF67, B7379, P502503, PH10890, LF17494, and BC3Q, 6714, CA, and 57151. Make sure it matches your existing filter. The package includes one FL2051S oil filter and a seal ring. Everything you need is in the box. All materials used in this product have been tested for performance, reliability, and durability. You can trust its quality. Our team values your experience. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Buy with confidence. What we like. This filter boasts wide compatibility and uses tested materials for reliability. If you need a reliable filter and value peace of mind with after-sales support, then this is a great choice. What people say. I change my oil every 5,000 miles on 6.7 Powerstroke and the filer didn't disappoint compared to more expensive filters I've used. Great value for the money. Number 3. Motorcraft FL2124S Oil Filter, replaces FL2051S. This is the Motorcraft FL2124S Oil Filter, a high-quality product. It replaces the FL2051S, ensuring optimal performance for your vehicle. It is brought to you by a leading manufacturer of high-quality products. The company is known for its commitment to excellence and reliability. This filter is part of a diverse range of award-winning products. You can trust it to meet the highest standards of quality and performance. The manufacturer has international renown for its products. They are recognized globally for their innovation and dependability. This product is part of a line of award-winning products. It is designed to provide superior protection and extend the life of your engine. What we like. This product comes from a leading manufacturer known for high-quality products. If you value a brand with a strong reputation and a diverse range of award-winning products, you should consider this one. What people say. It's a quality Motorcraft filter at a cheaper price than a parts store or dealership. Work perfectly on my Powerstroke diesel trucks. Exactly what I needed. Good quality and value. This is an OEM product and fits perfectly. Number 2. Filter kit for 2017 to 2019 Ford F250, F350, F450, F550. Tired of searching for individual filters? This kit provides a one-stop solution, saving you time and money. It includes all the necessary filters for your 6.7L engine, ensuring consistent quality and optimal performance. This air filter provides superior engine protection. It captures up to 99% of contaminants, ensuring clean air flows into the engine. This helps to enhance engine performance. The oil filter features a durable steel housing, designed for a precise fit and easy removal. It's also painted for rust resistance, ensuring it can withstand the test of time. This high-quality fuel water separator filter removes particles that may be present in the fuel. If you're experiencing issues like hard starting or poor engine performance, it might be time to replace it. This kit is designed for 2017 to 2019 F250, 2017 to 2020 F350, 2017 to 2019 F450, and 2017 to 2019 F550 models. Make sure it fits your vehicle. What we like. This kit offers a one-stop service, saving you time and money. It also provides superior engine protection with a rust-resistant housing. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to maintain your engine's performance, you should consider this kit. What people say. Everything was a great fur and I will order it all again. Like it is all in one box and one order place. Number 1. iFJF FL2051S Oil Filter Replacement. This is the iFJF FL2051S Oil Filter, designed for your F250, F756.7L Powerstroke diesel engine. It's a reliable replacement for several part numbers. This filter ensures your engine runs smoothly. This filter fits various Ford Super Duty trucks from 2011 to 2025. It's compatible with F250, F350, F450, F550, F600, and F750 models with specific engine configurations. Make sure it fits your vehicle. The FL2051S is interchangeable with multiple part numbers, including BC3Z 6731B and BC3Q 6714CA. This makes it easy to find a suitable replacement. You can trust this filter. The built-in pressure relief valve maintains oil supply. It works in extreme cold or if the filter gets clogged. This feature protects your engine. The filter features a steel housing for a precise fit. It's fluted for easy removal and painted for a great look. The housing is built to last. The filter element has a large media area for optimal capacity. Perforated steel center tubes withstand pressure surges. This design prevents leaks. What we like. This filter features a pressure relief valve and a durable metal housing. If you need a filter that can handle extreme conditions and ensure optimal oil supply, you should consider it. What people say. Looks like original without the price. Fit and went on well. I have to admit oil seems cleaner since I'm not seeing the black carbon as I was on other filters. Built a lot better than Ford filter and from filter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.